How to find out the determinant of a matrix? Please remember, whenever you have a determinant, the determinant always represent in the form of square bracket. Okay. So this is the square bracket and we represent the matrix like this, right? Now, what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. The first 3 is representing the rows, and the second 3 is representing column, right? Now, what is row? Row means the horizontal line. So we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. 3 rows are there, and we have column also. So columns are 1, 2, and 3. So 3 columns are there. For example, let's say 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 0. If let's say this is the matrix, so how many rows are there? So 1, 2, 2 rows, and how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So column we always write later, and rows we always write first. So whenever we solve the matrix, we always focus on the row and then column, right? Now let's start how to find the determinant of this matrix. So to find the determinant, we use the sign like this, which is looking like a modulus sign, but it is not the modulus. So determinant could be positive, it could be negative, 0, any number. It could be a fraction also. Now, to find out the determinant, we have to choose any one row or column. So I am choosing, we always, most of the time, generally we are using first row only to find out the determinant because it will be easy. So what you have to do, you have to write these 3 numbers of the first row. Row is the horizontal line. So I am writing 3, 1, then 3, and then 2. First row middle number is always negative, right? Because right now it is positive, so it becomes negative. If it is negative, then it becomes positive. Now how to find? Just put brackets like this. And now what to do? Please understand this thing, okay? So if we are talking about the first row, so we have 3 numbers. These 3 numbers of first row. So this number is of first row and first column, right? So this element, the first element is A11, means it is of the first row and first column. So what we have to do, we have to leave first row and first column numbers and all other left. So this is left. So what we have to do, we have to cross multiply. So 3 multiply minus 1 is minus 3. 1 multiply 2 is 2. And there is a negative sign of the formula, right? Now, after that, what we have to do, we have to focus on the second number, which is of first row and second column. This is the number which we have of first row and second column. So first row, second column, we have to leave. So what we have left with, so first row and second column we have to leave. So we are left with this. So 5 multiply 3 is 15 and 6 multiply 2 is 12, and there is a negative sign of the formula. Okay. Now for the third one, we have to see the third number, which is 2. So there is a plus sign always, right? And means sign will not change. The sign of the middle number always change. If it is negative, it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. Now, if you will see the third number, obviously it is a first row and last third column. So we have to leave these numbers. So we are left with this. So 5 multiply 1 is 5 and 6 multiply minus 1 is minus 6. And there is a negative sign of the formula also. So now let's solve it. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, minus 3. And then we have 3, 15 minus 12. And then 2 and then 5 plus 6 because minus minus 6. So it becomes 11. So minus 5 minus 9 plus 22. So this gives you minus 14 plus 22 and it gives me 8. So this is how we find out the value of the determinant, okay, of a 3 by 3 matrix. So please remember this thing. Determinant you can only find of square matrix. Square matrix means where the rows and columns are same. If the rows and columns are not same, then you are not able to find out the determinant. Determinant only you will find when the number of rows and number of columns are same, right? So yeah, that's that. So thank you.